It's week 5. And who do the Jets play? They play Miami. And what's famous out in Miami? It's the Cuban sandwich. Every day, cooking, Dad, cooking every day. All right, we got our official Cuban bread from a Cuban bakery. We got Swiss cheese, ham, yellow mustard, pickles, and our roasted pork. Got a video for that coming up. Okay, it's week 5 and the Jets play Miami Dolphins. And what we're doing in this series is we're cooking the food that's famous from the city or the town that the Jets are playing. So we're playing the Miami Dolphins, so we're doing a Cuban sandwich. All right, so we're going to go on with our mustard. And by the way, the Jets won last week. Yeah. 2-2. Haven't been able to say that in a long time. So we get the mustard all over our bread here. I saw some recipes where they had half mustard, half mayonnaise. I don't know. But most of the recipes I came across was just mustard. All right, it's week 5 and we face a tourless Miami Dolphins. You know, after watching that Thursday night game last night, the Jets are not in a bad place. Miami is not in a bad place. This is going to be a good game. The Jets have to win in the division. We got to take it. We got to beat them. We got to win this week. All right, so we're going on with our ham. And now I just decided to heat this pork up because it was really cold. Came out of the refrigerator. So we go on with the roast pork. Now this roast pork, I have a video that's coming up where I made the roast pork. I just cooked the roast pork a day or so ago. That is so good. So I'll link the video later after I post the video for the roast pork. So now you go on with the Swiss cheese. I probably should have went pickles and then Swiss cheese, but next time. Please hit us up with a like and a subscribe. It helps YouTube find us, let people know we're out there, and it doesn't cost much. All right, so on with our pickles. This part is not traditional. I just grabbed these. I thought it would be better, or I knew I would eat the rest of these, so I bought these pickles. The regular kosher dill pickle. Now I don't have a Panini press, so we're gonna have to just do this on our griddle. On with a little avocado oil. Give that a little wipe down. And then on with our sandwich. Being I don't have a Panini press, what we're going to do is we're going to just take a piece of aluminum foil, put that on top, and then we're going to grab our cast iron pan, and we're going to sit that on top and press the sandwich down. Then we're going to let that go about 3-4 minutes. And then we're going to go ahead and quickly flip this over to the other side. I suggest you use utensils because I almost burnt myself here. There you go. Nice. Grill marks. It's crusty. It looks warm and hot. Again, back on with our aluminum foil pan. About 3 minutes or so till your bread looks nice and crusty. And there's our sandwich, guys. We're in the home run stretch now. We're about to eat. Check this out. After you toast your bread, this is what it should sound like. Yeah. Yes. Ooh, yeah. And look at the inside. This is the Cuban sandwich. This is what they make down in Miami. This was delicious. You guys need to make this. And guys, you know what I need to say to you guys? Look at the inside. That's what I want. But you know what I'm going to do now, right? Jets, 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 Jets. Every day, cooking dad, cooking every day.